That's a very interesting question, and we really didn't have a concept until we went to the trade show, the Mid-America Trucking Show, a year ago in 2024. People would come by the booth and look at the product and say, "Oh, that's a great idea, keeping the grease in, but we want to keep stuff out of the U-joint." And these were farmers who work in the field. For example, you can imagine there's all kinds of grain trucks that have to run up and down these fields as the combine is unloading. They're loading right into the truck. And the corn stalks, at least in my experience up in Iowa, I used to live in Northwest Iowa, corn stalks are about that high, which is right where the U-joints are. And those U-joints are down there kind of swinging around every time, trying to grab stalks. There are all kinds of other agricultural instruments that are out there in the field doing the same thing. This cover prevents foreign object damage to the U-joint and yoke area. And one of the photos that we like to use is that from a waste company, a solid waste company in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, whose trucks frequently are in and out of the landfills. And in the landfills, there's all kinds of stuff. In particular, nylon twine happens to be in landfills for some reason. And they sent me a picture of nylon twine wrapped around the driveline so tightly around the U-joint that it actually shoved out the pinion seal. We've got the agricultural, we've got the landfills, and then you've got quarries. We had owners of dump trucks running by, and we now have sold a number of these to owners of dump trucks who are constantly in and out of a quarry. And sometimes they're in gravel and the U-joint can get down there or have stuff kicked up to it, and they'll get rocks lodged into the U-joints between the U-joint and the yoke.